So today we are so glad to have organized this event to celebrate the 33rd anniversary of the Balochistan Economic Forum and the 12th anniversary of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. And I'm so glad that we have so many friends from all walks of life and from Balochistan. So Balochistan is a major province in Pakistan, and it's one province that hosts many projects of the 𝗃𝗃𝗃. And so talking about 𝗃𝗃𝗃, that we can see that with our common efforts, and we have finished many projects under the framework. And for Gwadar port, and you can see that the port has been in fully operation, and the new Gwadar International Airport has been also finished and put into operation. And many other projects in Gwadar has been operational. We hope that more business will be attracted to Gwadar and to other part of Balochistan. So make more significant contributions to the social and economic development of Balochistan people, and to help improve the living standard of the Balochistan people. China attach importance to the cooperations with people also from Balochistan. We as the Consul General and even also the Chinese Embassy in Islamabad, we are working so hard to promote that people-to-people exchanges between us. We hope that the people in Balochistan will be fully involved in the construction of 𝗃𝗃𝗃 and get more concrete benefit from this. And talking about the recent conflicts between Pakistan and India, and we hope that both sides can settle the dispute and conflicts through dialogue and consultations. Both Pakistan and India are our neighbors. So we hope that through the consultations and dialogues, all the differences can be settled properly. So in the second phase of 𝗃𝗃𝗃, and the year for 2023, the two sides celebrate the 10th anniversary of 𝗃𝗃𝗃. And during that celebrations, and the two sides agree that we will build 𝗃𝗃𝗃 into ferry corridor. And the first one is the 𝗃𝗁𝗃 corridor. 𝗃𝗁𝗃 corridor that the 𝗃𝗃𝗃 should contribute to the economic growth of Pakistan. The second is livelihood enhancement corridor. That means that the local people should benefit from it and to improve their livelihood. And the third is the innovation corridor. That means that we will use more latest technology in the construction of 𝗃𝗃𝗃. And the fifth that is a green corridor, and to use more green technologies.
मैं समझता हूँ कि बलूचिस्तान में हमको ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी पड़ेगी। 𝗃𝗃𝗃 एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, उसने काफ़ी इसमें तरक्की की है, लेकिन ये मैं जब चाइनीज़ के साथ मिलता हूँ मैं उनको कहता हूँ मैं कि बलूचिस्तान में इन्वेस्ट करें मज़ीद और लोगों पे इन्वेस्ट करें। बलूचिस्तान का कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अभी तक नहीं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, रोड्स, इन चीज़ों में जब तक फ्रेश वाटर जब तक आप नहीं जाएंगे उस वक्त तक इसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। डेफिनेटली वो सारे जो है ये एलिमेंट्स जो है ये 𝗃𝗃𝗃 और हमारे बलूचिस्तान की डेवलपमेंट को टारगेट करना चाहते हैं, उनको ख़राब कर रहे हैं। कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, कुछ वक्त लगेगा लेकिन कंट्रोल हो जाएगा। नहीं, हम तो भी इसी मुल्क के लोग हैं, चाहे बलूचिस्तान का हो जाए चाहे इस्लामाबाद का हो जाए। इस्लामाबाद में भी मैं और आप बैठे हुए हैं, तो यही है डेफिनेटली बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ माई पोस्ट एज ए गवर्नर, डेफिनेटली मेरी तो जिम्मेवारी भी बनती है और उनको भी पता है कि भाई ये बलूचिस्तान की मजमूई तरक्की के लिए बात करेगा।